Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab, if you're new. Today in the lab, we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. So if you are on your way out to a holiday party, a date night, or a dinner, or some type of event where you need to put on a nighttime look, girl, I got you. That's what this look is all about. So if you like makeup tutorials, give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button. I definitely want to add you to the family. And without further ado, if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I've already done my brows. I'm going to finish them up as we finish the face. So I'm going to go ahead and put some Vaseline on my lips because my lips are always dry. And now it's getting cold, so like, my lips really going to be dry. Skin going to be dry, so make sure you hydrate it, girl. Make sure you moisturize your face, your lips, your body, girl. And everybody needs Vaseline. If y'all ain't seen that commercial pop up as many times as it has, then what rock are you living under? This is going to be some of the items that I mentioned in my Sephora haul. I am going to be trying not to take too long with this look because I actually have to be at a dinner in the next hour. So hopefully this doesn't take too long because I know I want to do the most because I want to be trying some new products. And we're going to be going in with the Jackie Aina palette today that you guys asked me to do a look on. So this is going to be like a fall-esque type of makeup look. I ordered these brushes just so I can get free shipping. Comment down below if you do that. If you just add something extra in your cart when you're shopping online just so you can get free shipping. It's bad. It's probably bad. But then on second thought, it's not because it's like I can just add another product in the cart rather than paying for shipping. So that's what I did. And these are some Best Taupe makeup brushes, complete set. It's just these little simple brushes here, and I don't know how many come in here, but it's a lot of eye brushes. So that is that. So before I go into my eyeshadow, I am going to use a primer today. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. Typically I use just my concealer. Let me know if you are concealer, primer, or if you use your eyeshadow base primers. This eyeshadow base primer from ABH is one shade that I know of for now. There's not like multiple shades, so, and a little goes a long way. So I like to use my finger after I move it around with my brush. And the brush that I'm using is a Real Techniques brush. I typically use this to blend the concealer out around my eyebrows. So that's that. I'm gonna start with ginger. And I'm going to place that right here in my crease. Like I said, I'm using it as a transition shade. Those of you that are new to my channel and are always interested to know about makeup, a transition shade is usually a warm shade or a lighter shade that is going to blend all of your shades together seamlessly. So you won't see it looking choppy. It'll just blend all those shades together so seamlessly, so flawlessly. And it looked like, dang, who took time to do your eyes and really only took like 10 minutes because that transition shade just made it so bomb. So now I'm going to go into edges. It's more of an orangier shade. I'm just going to put that right on top of it so that we can kind of brighten it up a bit. You guys, I honestly don't know what look I'm about to do. Like, it all depends on how this is going to go. But so far, these colors are blending really nicely. So next I'm gonna go into Credit, which is this brown shade, and just deepen up my crease. And I'm gonna actually take one of my new brushes. This is gonna be this one. They don't have numbers or anything, so I'll just show you guys what the brush part looks like. Let's see, because I'm a sucker for gold, I'm thinking about going in with Zam, but then I see this Trust Issues one. Let me see what this Trust Issues one look like. Oh, this is picking up like yellow. I don't want the yellow gold. I want like a real gold. Yeah, like this yellow. Like this gold is what I want. So moving on to the face, I'm going to go in with my Clinique Moisture Surge. I'm going to use this bottle up, honey. I'm going to go in with this as my moisturizer. And I'm going to be going in with an oldie but a goodie. This is the Pores No More Luminizer Primer by Dr. BRANDT. I used to use this so much in my older videos. But it's a primer that will give you a luminous look because that's what I want. So I'm going to put this on here and here. Not a lot. Mainly. And today, you guys, we're going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous foundation. So I'm going to be even more glowy. Like, I know I'm doing too much, but super excited. And I'm in the shade 360C. So if you guys wanted to know what my shade is in this, it's 360C. I'll list it down below with my other foundations and shades. The reason I like this shade is because it's got like that orange in it. Not too much orange to the point where it's like, okay, she's looking like Oompa Loompa. But enough orange to cancel out any dark spots or anything like that. I have dark hyperpigmentation around my mouth, so me choosing a shade like this just really was amazing because, or them having a shade like this, I should say, was amazing because I don't have to do too much bronzing, although I like to bronze anyway. So that's that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with the Bare Minerals Dewy Mist Spray. You're probably like, girl, you're doing a lot of dewy. But this step, like spraying your face before you blend out your foundation, I actually seen Jackie Aina do it. So yeah, and it makes sense actually. It makes the foundation spread out a little bit better. So this is with one layer. But because I'm going to a dinner, I'm gonna go ahead and be extra and put just a little bit more here and here. All right, for concealer, I'm gonna go in with an oldie but a goodie. This is the Tarte Shape Tape. As you can see, it's pretty empty, but I really like this concealer because it's full coverage. If you're looking for a full coverage concealer, something that won't crease under the eye. Between this and my Urban Decay, what is it called? Between this and my Urban Decay Stay Naked, it's just bomb, like, you guys. And you don't need much. That's what I like about it as well. I like to mix these two in. Only because I don't have that much in my Shape Tape one, but this purple here is a matte shade. And what I'm gonna do is just put that right in here. Yes, sir. This is looking nice. And now we're gonna bronze our face. I do wanna go in with this Becca Sunlit bronzer, and I don't even know if I'm gonna butcher this. A Panama Sun. I never used it. It's just been sitting in my collection. It has like this shimmer in it, kinda. So I'm gonna go in with that after I bronze my face with my go-to, which is my Hoola bronzer and my Real Techniques brush. So you guys know I love to bronze. I don't contour. I just like to bronze the face. Going back to the eyes, I'm gonna go in with the same colors, but adding the big wig on the bottom lash line as well. So I'm gonna start with Ginger. Another oldie but goodie. This is the MAC Lovejoy blush. I love this blush. I've had it for so many years, and it's like my go-to blush. Nothing's gonna change that. I just like to pair it with other things I have on hand. So that's that. And I'm gonna mix it with this Buxom Wanderlust blush in the shade Dolly. This one has like some pearliness to it, so that's why I'm gonna add it on the cheek. Now I'm gonna go in with the Hourglass mascara because we are gonna put some falsies on. For falsies today, I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty number 16 Camille. They're like the half lashes, so we'll see. Hopefully those look right because I don't have time to take them off and put them back on. I'm gonna go into that yellowish one. It's actually yellow, Trust Issues. It looks white, but it's definitely going on yellow. So I'm gonna coat my brush in that. Using a Morphe M431 brush, and I'm just gonna put that right here. For the lip, I think I'm gonna do this lip here. This is the Sephora collection, shade number 441, and this was the holiday set that I showed you guys in my haul as well. So definitely go check it out. I want it to be more purple, so I'm gonna go into number 14 and like trace my lips with this. Hopefully don't mess it up. All right guys, so this is the finished look. As I stated before, all the products will be listed down below in the description box. Definitely give me your questions, comments, concerns in the comment section. Let's chat it up down there. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.